Question number 116. Transport of substances over long distance through the vascular system is called. First option, transformation. Second, translocation. Third, transduction. Fourth, transfusion. So transport of substances over the long distances through the vascular system means through the xylem and phloem is called. These two options are ruled out, as you know that transformation and transduction are mode of sexual recombination in bacteria, not the methods of water transport. So these two options are ruled out. Transfusion, no, this is not the method by which transport of substances can take place. The second option is translocation. Yes, through translocation, the transport of substances over the long distances is done. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 117. Read the statements given below and select the option with incorrect statements. Statement A. Xylem parenchyma helps in radial conduction of water. B. In a dark condition, xylem is centrifugal. C. Sclerenchyma having protoplast is usually dead. D. Tracheids are found only in angiosperms. First option A and B, second C and D, third A and D, fourth B and C. In this question you have to find out the incorrect statements. See the statement A. Xylem parenchyma helps in radial conduction of water. This is true. Xylem has 4 components, out of which xylem parenchyma is the only living component which helps in radial conduction of water. B. In a dark condition, xylem is centrifugal. This is also true. Before saying it that it is true, you should know that in case of stem, you must have seen these kind of vascular bundles where here phloem is present and here xylem is present. And you see the xylem, you always make xylem like this. Why? The smaller cavity shows protoxylem and the large shows the metaxylem. So protoxylem is the xylem which is formed initially, which is first formed xylem, and metaxylem which is formed after protoxylem. So growth of xylem is towards the periphery. First protoxylem, then metaxylem. So growth of xylem is towards the periphery, which is called growth of xylem is centrifugal. So this growth is centrifugal. When you see the section of root, you always make xylem this way. So this is protoxylem and this is metaxylem. So growth of xylem is towards the center, which is called centripetal growth of xylem, which is seen in case of roots, and centrifugal growth is seen in case of stem. So in dark condition, xylem is centrifugal, yes. And dark when protoxylem is towards the inner side, towards the center, and the growth is towards the periphery. So in dark condition, xylem is centrifugal, right? When the protoxylem is towards the periphery, it is called the exact condition, and growth of xylem is towards the center. It is called centripetal growth, which is seen in roots. So this statement is correct. See, sclerenchyma having protoplast is usually dead. Sclerenchyma don't have protoplast at maturity and they are dead. So this statement is incorrect. D. Tracheids are found only in angiosperms? No. Tracheids are not found only in angiosperms. They are the components of the xylem which are found in all type of vascular plants, be they pteridophytes, gymnosperms or angiosperms. So both C and D statements are correct. So by seeing the options, we can say that the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 118. In gymnosperms, pollination is carried out by first option animals, second birds, third water, fourth air currents. It is very straight question. You may be knowing about it that in gymnosperms or the plants with naked seeds, pollination is carried out by air currents only. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 119. Match items in column 1 with those in column 2. Column 1, here column 1 is given and this is column 2. A. Gemme, Pinus gerardiana. B. Embryo sac, Mycelia. C. Heterosporous vascular cryptogam, Eucalyptus. D. Chilgoza, Markensia. Select the correct answer from the following. You have to match the items in the column 1 to column 2 and then choose the correct option. A is gemme. These gemme are multicellular asexual buds which are found in liverworts, and they are meant for reproduction in case of liverworts. So one of the example of liverworts here is Markensia. So A goes with 4th. So these option number 1 and 3 are ruled out. They cannot be correct options. Correct option can be 2nd or 4th. Now B, embryo sac. Embryo sac is also known as female gametophyte. Female gametophyte is embryo sac is a feature of angiosperms only, and the example of angiosperm or an angiosperm here given is Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is the tallest angiosperm. So B goes with 3rd. So this option is also ruled out as here B matches with 3rd. Now C, heterosporous vascular cryptogam. Heterosporous, a plant which produces 2 different types of spores, vascular, it should have vasculature, and cryptogam, which have exposed sex organs, so it should be Marcelia. So C goes with the 2nd as Marcelia is heterosporous and vascular cryptogam too. So C goes with 2nd, it is correct. D, Chilgoza, only left option is D goes with 1st. Why? Chilgoza is the edible seed of Pinus. So D goes with 1st. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 120. Algin is a hydrocolloid obtained from first option Rhodophyceae, 2nd Chlorophyceae, 3rd Phaeophyceae, 4th Funaria. So hydrocolloid algin is obtained from members of brown algae, that is Phaeophyceae. In Chlorophyceae, no hydrocolloids are present, they are absent. In case of Rhodophyceae, the hydrocolloid is agar, which is obtained from cell wall of the members. Funaria, it's a moss, it's a member of bryophyte. There is no hydrocolloid in these members. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question.